Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install n8n Docker. All right. First up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Now type in Docker. Once done, just hit on enter. And here in the first search result, go ahead and find Docker Desktop. Once you have it located, just go ahead and click on it and wait for the website to load. Now, once the website loads, go ahead and scroll down and find download Docker. All right. Just simply hover your mouse onto it. Now, to be able to find your specific OS, just go ahead and click on Windows if you are using Windows, and Mac right here if you're using Mac. All right. Just going to click on Windows and there will be a download page. And as you can see here, I'm not going to download it again as I already downloaded it. All right. So just go ahead and hit on save and wait for the download process to finish, and you'll be able to see your downloads right here. All right. Now, once it's downloaded, close the web browser, locate the installer, double click on it. There will be a pop-up. Just click on yes. All right. Now, once you click on yes, this page will load. So what we're going to do in here is just go ahead and click on allow Windows container to be used with this installation. Just hit on OK after that and wait for the process to finish. This installation right here will take about 2 to 3 minutes. All right. So patiently wait. So as you can see here, the process is done. Just hit on close. And here we have our shortcut. So you can go ahead and delete the installer right here if you don't want it. Now go ahead and double click on Docker Desktop. Now just hit on accept right here. If you want to, you can go ahead and put your work email or personal email. But just for this example, we can just go ahead and hit on skip and skip. All right, I'm going to maximize this one. It says here starting the Docker engine. For the first time used, it will take about 1 to 2 minutes. All right. So once you're in here, go ahead and go to images. Now go ahead and click on search images to run. Now just type in n8n. Right here in the first search result, n8nio/n8n. Just go ahead and hit on run. Click on it. Now just wait for it. Now here in the background, it is running as well. Just basically wait for it. Or you can just go ahead and click on the blank space right here. And here you have your installation progress. As you can see here, it's done. If you want to, you can go ahead and tap on run right here, click on it, and click on the drop down if you want to add some additional options or settings. If not, just hit on run and wait for it. As it says here, editor is now accessible via. Click on the link right here. Now, as you can see here, localhost 5678 has opened. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and put our email, for example, this one right here, the first name and last name, of course, the password. All right. Once that's done, just hit on next. If you want to, you can go ahead and save your credentials right here. And then just go ahead and click on get started and skip this for now. And there you have your n8n dashboard, and that's basically how to do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.